Hi friends, I am Tirak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert a text box in your Microsoft Excel web on your computer or PC. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe and below we just quickly move on to the video. So how to insert a text box inside your Microsoft Excel web, I just going to show in this video. So to insert the text box, so first step, click on the insert option. And you will see an option called text box here on the last position. Click on this, it will insert a text box here. You can just drag it and move it. You can just place wherever you just need it. You can also expand this text box like this, and you can just type whatever you just needed. Like for an example, here I just type as text box. So if you just want to edit it, just select it and go to the home section. Here you can just change the font size and also make it as bold, italic, or underline, and also you can just change the text color. So you can choose your own text color. And also you can just align inside of. For an example, I just need to make this on the center of the text box. So you will see top alignment, bottom alignment, and center alignment. And here the left alignment, right alignment, and center alignment. This is how you just insert text box inside your Microsoft Excel web on your computer or PC. And you can just easily customize this too. And you will see a lot of options. Right click here, you will see about text options and every options out here. And you can also have more options if you just needed to customize your text box. I think this video, if you not like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.